Hello children, let us continue with the explanation of the lesson Intellectual Rubbish in part 6. Children, we saw how each individual is different. We even know that male and female, that is both the genders, both of them, they have their own self respect, they have their own self esteem, and it is common seen in the societies where comparisons are made, but we are expected to work together for the progress of the nation as a whole. The other passions besides self esteem are common sources of error. Error is mistake. Of these, perhaps the most important is fear. Each one of us, we fear about something. Fear sometimes operates directly by inventing rumors of disaster in wartime, or by imagining objects of terror such as ghosts. Sometimes it operates indirectly by creating belief in something confronting, such as the elixir of life, or heaven for ourselves and hell for our enemies. Now, children, inherently means by nature. Ought means anything. Elixir of life, a divine substance that made somebody immortal. So, this is what is necessary to find out that each one has a certain kind of fear. So, that fear has to be removed from our mind. For example, children, you have fear of exams, fear of failure, at times fear of any person. So this has to be sorted out, and it has to be removed from our mind, our thought, because that fear is the greatest hindrance in our progress. We can't concentrate in whatever we do just because we fear. Instead of that, instead of keeping fear in mind, if we keep focus towards our goal in mind and work accordingly, sort out and plan accordingly, that will really benefit us to a large extent. Fear of our enemies, or we think something bad for our enemies, this also happens. Fear has many forms. Fear of death, many people, they have fear of death. Fear of the dark, many of them, they are not able to step out of the house or even go on terrace at night in the dark. How many of you really have the fear of dark or fear of death? It may happen so that you need somebody's help, you need somebody's support, or you take them with you as a company to go on the terrace or to go outside in the dark when there is no light. So fear of the unknown, we don't know what is going to happen, we don't know about the future, and we keep on thinking about it. And that vague generalized fear that comes to those who conceal from themselves their more specific terrors. Now it is seen and observed that this fear, it accounts to failure in our life. So one should be able to tackle. There are many students, those who fear certain subjects. Some of them, they have fear for maths, fear for history, geography, science, or any other subject, fear of languages, fear of writing skills. So this fear, it can be removed if you practice related to that subject. And this is just an example I am giving you all. So this fear, how does it get removed? If you focus on that, if you work on that, that fear, and if you clear your concepts related to that particular subject, topic, or any other thing, it gradually it gets removed from your mind. That fear, it gets removed. So until you have admitted your own fears to yourself. You should admit that no, I fear this, I need to come out of this, I need to work on this part in my life. So this has to be developed, and have guarded yourself by a difficult effort of will against their myth making power. You cannot hope to think truly about many matters of great importance, especially those with which religious beliefs are concerned. Many times we believe that, oh, if I do not do such kind of ritual, something bad may happen in my life. If we just keep this thing, these are certain fears, religious beliefs which you have in your mind, and you get carried away with it. Yes, so this has to be tackled very nicely, cautiously. Fear is the main source of superstition. It leads to lot of superstitions, and one of the main sources of cruelty. So this superstition, it leads to cruelty. There are many those who just harm others' life for gaining money. They involve other people. It is a kind of human sacrifice that is given, sacrifice of animal in front of God, that is given by the people. It is a kind of superstition which they follow. Why? And the main reason of following such kind of superstitions is fear of life, or fear of losing wealth, or for acquiring wealth. Many of them, they follow certain beliefs, and they try to go in that, which is a kind of superstition, and it is completely wrong. To conquer fear is the beginning of, here beginning, beginning, beginning. One more n has to be added, it is a typing mistake in your textbook. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom. So one has to conquer fear and come out of the superstition. You shouldn't believe in such kind of superstition that leads you to cruelty. In the pursuit of truth, as in the endeavor after a worthy manner of life. Now children, this is very much essential that we come out of our fears, and we always have to be very careful about handling ourselves and overcoming such kind of fear if we have in our mind related to anything. There are two ways of avoiding fear. Let us continue with this topic in our next video, how one can come out of these fears and how you can avoid fear. Thank you.